Hey guys, it's 72 degrees on a beautiful Saturday morning. Sounds like to me it is time to go on a hike. So we're about to jump in the car, head to Clarkesville, and I'll let you guys know where we're headed once we get there. We are here in the beautiful Habersham County. Now, the city of Habersham is called Clarkesville, which is a beautiful city as well. It's got a great little downtown area. But where we are is called Panther Creek Falls. And this trail is a 3.5 mile trail down to the falls and then a 3.5 mile trail back up out of the falls. So we're gonna be here with the ministry today. We got a group of people coming. It's gonna be a great time. The temperature is perfect up here in the North Georgia mountains. Even though it's the heat of summer right now, it's still cool up here. So expect some B-roll along the trail, and I hope you enjoy the ride. So like in many places where, you know, you're coming to use the trails and stuff like that, it is a US fee area. So you do have to pay a fee in order to park here in the parking lot where there's a restroom, both a pit toilet for the ladies and for the men. It's only $4. You can actually go online in order to pay that at recreation.gov. Here, there's a convenient QR code where you just scan the QR code and you are able to pay online. Now, not all providers, cell phone providers, have service here. I have T-Mobile and I have 5G, but I was just talking to a group of ladies who had no service. So not sure what your cell phone provider is, but T-Mobile definitely has service here. So that's great, only $4. So, been on the trail for about 15 minutes now. And here's what I can tell you. The trail is very shady. It's beautiful. You're not walking out in a lot of sun and burning up in the heat of summer. So it's a beautiful trail for that. What I can also tell you is that the trail is filled with roots and rocks. So before you come out on this trail, you want to make sure that you are pretty sure-footed, you know, that you can step somewhere, you're kind of agile on your feet, but also that you have good tread on your shoes, because you don't want to be coming out here and slipping all over the place. But so far, I mean, it's a beautiful trail. It's great. I love it. They were only this high. Parkour! Such a beautiful day. I mean, really, it's perfect. Look at this. Look at that. So this is, I want to say, let me think, maybe 1.5 miles in is this little area where you can stop. So if you're looking at only doing a 3 mile kind of hike, this would probably be a good place for you to stop. It's a wide open area, you can't miss it, and it's absolutely gorgeous. You can put your feet in the water, you can just hang out here. So come check it out, Panther Creek Falls. We're getting closer to the falls now. It does kind of get confusing figuring out which way to go, because there's a couple of trails that branch off here and there. So just know that if you come, it's a good idea to take a really good look at a trail map beforehand, or bring your All Trails app with you, something like that. That's what we've been relying on, so that helps. But if you find this cable and this huge rock facing, you're coming the right way, so that's exciting. Well guys, from what I'm hearing, it's longer than 7 miles. It's more around 8 miles, 4 miles in, 4 miles out. But let me just tell you, if you're healthy enough to come here, if you got the strength and the will, the falls are unbelievable. Look at that. The camera, the GoPro really just doesn't do it justice. It is massive. It is such a huge fall. And the swimming hole here at the bottom is just gigantic with a beach and everything. I mean, it is beautiful. So I'm gonna go jump in the water and I'll take you guys along. All right, I had a little protein bar and now I'm gonna go jump in the water. It is definitely refreshing. And the only reason I'm jumping in here is because of how warm it is out today. All right, here we go. Ready? It's deep.